guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Harley Rogers, and in today's video I've done this bronzed goddess look, I guess you could call it, with a simple cut crease and a nude lip. Just a heads up, I have the worst cold in the world, and I sound like shit and I look like it too. But please excuse my nasally voice throughout this video. I just wanted to film today. I woke up not feeling up to it, but eventually I thought, you know what, I'm just going to do it because I really want to. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. So as you can see, oh my god. So as you can see, I've already done this eye, which means we can just focus on this one right here. So taking my Morphe 39A palette, we're going to start off with this transition shade right here. And using my Sigma E40 tapered blending brush, we're going to apply this all over the through my crease. So just apply this all through my crease. And we're going to blend it out quite far as well, because we're going to do the cut crease look, as you can see on this eye. Next, taking this sort of burnt orange shade, which I am in love with. I didn't realise it when I first got the palette. Sorry, there's fallout all over the palette. But yeah, I recognised it today looking at the palette properly. Even though I filmed a whole video on this, I didn't even see this shade. But yeah, I am so in love with it. So I'm going to just apply this through my crease as well, just to deepen it up a little bit. And then taking this light brown shade right here, we're just going to apply this through the crease as well, just to add a little bit more depth. This colour doesn't really come through too much, but that's okay. It might be the brush I'm using, or it might be the eyeshadow. It might just be that it's too light, but we're just going to add a slight colour to it, as I said, just to deepen it up. Now that the eyeshadow's done, what we're going to do is use a makeup wipe and remove some of the product off my lid, just so that we've got a nice clean base for when we cut the crease. And then take some concealer on a flat shader brush. We're just going to simply cut the crease. Then, using my collection pressed powder in the shade Ivory, we're going to use another flat shader brush and just pack this onto the concealer just to set it. I'm then just going to apply some mascara onto my top lashes. I'm using the Rimmel Lash Accelerator, and we're just going to coat these lashes. Oh, this cold is absolutely killing me. I sound like shit, and I feel like it too. So next I'm just going to apply these false lashes on. These are just ones from eBay, but they are amazing. They're so fluffy and light and easy to apply, and they stay on so well. Oh, we have another cat in the way of the camera. Another one. Yes, I have two cats. She doesn't know where to go. Oh, she's gone to my desk. Great. Please ignore my cat in the background. Look at her though, she's so beautiful. You're so beautiful, aren't you? Yeah? Bless. Okay, so the lashes are on, which means we can move on to the skin. So I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 105 Natural Ivory. I finally found a foundation that suits my oily skin. I was able to wear it on Saturday night and no oily skin came through at all, so I was so chuffed about that. Then I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm just going to apply this on my under eyes, my forehead, nose and chin, and then blend it in once again with a beauty blender. Then to set my face, I'm taking the Collection Pressed Powder in the shade Candlelight, and with a fluffy brush I'm just going to mattify my face, because that's what we want, a nice matte finish. I never like the dewy finish that some people do. I mean, maybe that's just because I have oily skin, so like I don't like the look of it, because I always get the dewy look on my face, and to me it's just not a good look. But it can suit some people, but I'm just not a fan of it really. Going back to the eyes, for my under eye I'm going to take the same orange transition shade that I used and apply that underneath my lower lash line, and then also use that burnt orange shade as well that I used as well for my crease. And then for that pop of colour in my inner corner, I'm going to use my LA Girl Strobe Light Strobing Powder Highlighter in the shade 90. Here it is. And I'm just going to highlight my inner corner. And then I'm just going to apply some mascara to my lower lashes. So now the eyes are done, we can move right back onto the face. And for contouring today, I'm taking my Studio Fix Matte Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette. And I'm just going to use this shade right here just to contour my cheekbones, forehead, jawline and my nose. We're going to just do a little bit of contour today, because obviously the main event for this look is the bronzer. And we're going to bronze ourselves up nice and good. I'm just going to contour the nose a little bit too. So now for the main event, I'm using the Maybelline New York City Bronzer in the shade Deep Cool. And as you can see, if I can open it, it's this beautiful, perfect bronze shade. And I'm so in love with it, and it's so damn good. So we're going to really go to town on the bronzer. And just bronze up the whole face. Down the jawline, down the neck. And of course on the forehead. Basically just everywhere. I'm just going to go in with the mixture of these two shades together. It's like a banana shade and a white shade. And I'm just going to bake underneath the contour and bronze just so it's nice and sharp. I always love doing this step. For highlighter, I'm going back in with that Strobe Light Strobing Powder from LA Girl in the shade 90. And with a fan brush, we're just going to apply this onto the cheekbones. We don't want to diffuse the bronzer too much, so I mean, who am I kidding? I'm still going to apply loads of highlighter, but still. Like that. And down my nose and my cupid's bow. And then finally for lips, I'm going to start off with the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Sandstorm. I'm hoping this isn't too dark for this look, but we can ombre it up anyway, so that's what I was planning on doing anyway. And then I'm just going to use some of my Tarte lip paint in the shade Bestie just to ombre the lip a little bit, just to add some lightness in the centre. And the shades are kind of similar actually. It added a little bit more light to the centre of the lip. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Please excuse my cold and how gross I sound, but yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. And thank you so much. I hope you have a lovely day and a lovely week and a beautiful weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!